What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the rechargeable battery that's in this BMW touchscreen remote key fob. So like I said, the battery that's in this key fob is rechargeable. It'll charge if it's in the charging tray in the vehicle itself, and also on the side, you can charge it with a mini USB. But over time, you may find that the fob just is not holding its charge as well as it used to, in which case you may want to replace the rechargeable battery that's inside of it. To do that, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver to get the case open. And we have our buttons down here. If we take a look at the end that does not have the buttons, if the screen's on, I think it'd actually be the bottom. But if we look on this end, we see there's a little bit of a notch right here. What I'm gonna do is put my screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there, and then I'm just gonna twist it. And as I do that, it pops this back of the shell up. We'll pull that off, and now we can see our battery right here. And I'm just gonna grab this and pull up just a little bit, and then pull down, because this is where it's plugged in, up here. So pull that out. I'm not actually going to replace this one, but when you're putting your new one in, you'll just slide this end in first, because again, this is where the plug actually is. So make sure that's pushed all the way up and seated down in there. Then we can snap the back of the case on. And now let's check it to make sure it still powers up. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.